guys, so if you're wondering why this little man icon is on my screen on my phone, it's not there by accident, because I have actually put it there for this video purpose, and I'll tell you that in a minute. Hi, what's up? This is the Tech Girl 007 here, teaching you all about the tech, whether they're tech issues, reviews, tutorials, unboxing and much more, and that all in one right here on this channel. So now let's talk a little about why would you magnify your screen. And the obvious reason is that you want to see things on your screen bigger, i.e. text, pictures or apps, etc. In other words, you just want to zoom into your screen, and when I say zoom, it is not just zooming in like 5x zoom only, it's like 100 times zoomed in. So let's now show you guys a few things that you can do when magnifying your screen. And the first things first, to turn on all those magnification options. So from your home screen, slide down the page, tap on the spanner icon, go to where it says accessibilities. Here we have it. You want to go on to visibility enhancement. Then down the bottom you should see some things called magnification. Now let's go on to these first to see what each of these do. So first of all, let's click on magnification. So we've got two options in here. Firstly, you can ask it to use shortcut to magnify. So this way, if you toggle this on, you'll have a little man appearing in here. Alright, so as you can see, so basically what that is when you click on there, so let me go to the home screen. Right, when you press on that man, you will be able to either vertically or horizontally move your finger across the screen to bring all the apps that you want to see. However, it doesn't allow you to bring the more apps page that way, so you have to let go of the magnification, go onto the more apps page and then click on that little man icon again, and this in turn will allow you to have the same accessibility as you had on the previous page. So on the magnification tab, since we've covered this little man, we ought to cover the triple tap screen magnification option as well, because this is really cool. If you turn this on, you basically will be able to tap on the screen anywhere and you will be able to magnify your screen or maybe zoom in anything that you want. And unlike the man icon, in this way you can actually go on to the more tabs just by sliding up the page. So you can slide up to go to the more apps page, or you can slide down to go back to the normal home page if you like. And for that you just need to tap in 3 times. And again, to get rid of it, you do that again. And then on the same tab we have a third option that you can choose to toggle on, which is called magnifier window. If you turn that on, it will allow you to actually magnify a certain part in your screen. So you got a few controls in here. If you click on this square icon, you can actually zoom into. Right, so this kind of magnification allows you to focus on one part of the screen. But if you wanted to have more visibility, you have to click on this little icon in here, this little square. So if I click on there, you actually will have a bit more space or screen that you can cover. Otherwise, you can, if you wanted to focus just on one thing, you can do so by going in here. So with this way of magnification, you actually got some controls in here. So you've got the square where you can focus on one spot, and then you got the lock where you can lock it to go either vertically or horizontally if you wish. And then you can just turn off the whole thing by going onto this X icon. Alright, so that's it for this video. Otherwise, if you'd like to know what things you can do with your S Pen, then let me know on the comments down below. And otherwise, I do have a video for you guys on how to fix some issues on your S Pen. So I'll have it somewhere on the top of the screen showing up on that little card, and also I'll have the link on the description box below. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it.